outfit of the day for our trip to Disneyland today. Dada! Dada's staring at me. Watching my OOTD for today. Okay, so, syempre, pupunta kami ng Disneyland ngayon. Kailangan, kumpleto ang outfit na pang Disneyland talaga. Ang aking headband, nakita niyo, the Mickey Mouse ears. Ang cute ng headband ko. At since medyo malamig ngayon doon, hindi naman masyadong malamig. I think it's about, right now it's about 71 degrees. And later will be about 60 at night.
56.
About 56 degrees. So that's fine. So kaya ito, I'm wearing my black long sleeve turtleneck. At tignan niyo ang aking skirt. Ang skirt ko po ay polka dots na red and white. At ito po ay flare. Flare, short skirt. At syempre, kailangan natin gumamit ng leggings for a more comfortable outfit. At least, yung ganyan, kahit umikot-ikot tayo, naka-leggings, hindi po malalamigan. At nakita ninyo ang aking shoes. I'm using my ankle black boots. Ayan po. So, it's a pointed toe ankle black boots. Okay, so this is the whole outfit for our trip today to Disneyland. At yung mga nagtatanong po dyan kung magkano na ang ticket ngayon sa Disneyland, just for one day, it's $188. Yun po ang one day ticket per person po yan. Bawat isa, $188. At syempre, hindi makukumpleto ang outfit. Alam naman ninyo kung wala ang aking bag. So, hindi pa ninyo nakita tong bag na to, pero napakalumang bag na po ito at siguro pangalawang beses ko pa lang itong ginamit. So, this is my Gucci bag. Ayan po. At talaga namang napakaluwag nito at marami pong mailalagay. So, this is the total or complete outfit for today. Ayan po. So, Minnie Mouse ako ngayon. Naka-Minnie Mouse outfit ako. Because it's our Disneyland trip today. And Dada is wearing his Mickey Mouse shirt. And Ate Cecil is wearing her, the Minnie Mouse red shirt with a big ears. Siyempre, yun ang simbolo ni Minnie Mouse with a big ears, diba? Okay, so, sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang aking outfit of the day. Ayan po ang kompletong outfit of the day for our Disneyland trip. So, thank you guys for watching. Papatawa yung ate ko eh. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys later! And don't forget to click like, comment, and share this video. See you guys later. Bye!